Good morning and welcome to our Conifer Midtown Chimney Fireplace store. Come on in, let's take a quick sneak peek. So one of the things I'm excited about is the new water vapor technology. I'll show that to you at the end of the video. We have the beautiful Majolica Brown gas stove by Vermont Castings, the red Bordeaux, the medium-sized gas stove from Vermont Castings, the small basic black Vermont Castings. Over here we've got the kind of a cost-effective pellet stove. Over here we have the classic CB1200 Quadrifier. Over here we have the all-new Harman Majolica Brown. It's got a smart technology thermostat feature on it. Here's a Harman P43. It's a great one. I had that one in my house. Love it. We sold several of those. Here's a little electric unit for those of you who aren't sure whether you should go gas or pellet. And then for those of you who know what you want, we know who you are. Here's your wood burners along the wall here. We got 4 of them lined up. And then the piece de resistance, you got to see this. You ready? I told you it's coming. Water vapor technology. So kind of a great made in America sort of story. 2 guys came up with this dry water vapor concept, and there's no heat. It is made in China, full disclosure, but they're American guys here in North Carolina who are doing it. And this is called the Gatsby model. So this is $1,950 MSRP, and it's made to go right into your wood burning open style fireplace that doesn't work anymore. Seal off your damper. Here you go. You're back up and running with a cool touch product, just a simple 110 volt cord, very easy to use. And it doesn't take long to fire up. Hey, come on by, see us over at Midtown Chimney Fireplace Store. Come on by, say hi to my team. Love to help you guys out. Shoot us a call, email, text, whatever. Happy to help.